Hello and welcome to the channel. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be attempting to install a subfloor on this Ram ProMaster cargo van. I want to install the subfloor so that I can be able to secure my racks. I plan on putting some racks setups in here and setting this up as a new service van. So I'll be doing a few videos on the process that I go through setting these up, but I've never done a subfloor before, so this is an opportunity to get some experience on it. There are 8 of these fittings here, little hangers, mounting brackets, and as you can see it has a Torx bit. It takes a Torx bit. I'm not sure on the size at this time, but there are 8 of these in the floor that need to be removed in order to place your subfloor. So I'll be working on removing those, and then once I get those out, on this one I'm gonna have to set up my own template. As you can see, it doesn't have one of those factory floors or mats in it, so I'll need to set up my template in order that I can cut the plywood. I'm going to be using a MOD plywood, which is a little more durable than the normal construction plywood, so I'm going to be using that. But I first need to set up my template in order to be able to get a good fit for the perfect fit for the subfloor. So I have those D-rings out. At first I didn't know what size the Torx fitting was, but for these it was a T40 Torx bit to get these out. So just remember that the T40 size bit is the one you need for this 2023 Ram ProMaster. Some of them could take T45 Torx bit fitting, but for the most part, the most common is the T40 bit for those. So now I have the cardboard laid on the subfloor so that I can utilize that as the template to cut my plywood and hopefully get a good fit. So the next episode I'll be going and showing how to cut the wood, make your trace lines from the cardboard, and then cut the plywood so that you can we can place it inside of the van and get a good fit.